Hello everyone. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to people.
Good evening, sir.
All of you able to hear me? If anyone you are
Yes.
not able to hear me, can you message?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, so we will wait for another 1 minute and then we will start the discussion. So except two, three people, remaining all are new to this group, right? People who are already in this group, can you raise your hand? I mean, people who had been through the sessions already. Okay, one, two people. Okay, all right. So what I'm going to do is I will give you a quick overview of the selection process, and I will not spend much time about the company details and other thing. We'll go to the directly on topic, what is required for this selection. Okay, so let me open this document. I have shared this document to you already. You can go through when you have time. Okay. So our company, Gorai Technology Solutions, okay, we are uh, doing recruitment drive on every month basis, and there are three categories. Okay, so in those three categories, first one will be people who are already good on certain skill set. Okay, they are eligible for directly applying for the job, and they will go through the process, and if they are selected in the job interview, then they get job offer. Then people who wants to do intensive, they can go for it, and people who do not have really enough background to do the intensive, they need to go for training. Okay, so what are the different job positions or positions for training and intensive we have are this. Okay, uh, I think I did not share the screen. Sorry for that. Let me know when you can see the screen. Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah, sir, it's visible.
Okay, great. So as you see in the screen, right? So these are the different job positions we have, which we will be going through. and we will do the assessment for each one of those topics. Okay, so it is on the screen, so I don't want to spend time to read through them again. You can have a look at it, and you can see which one is for you, and probably if you can message it on the chat box that you want to go for this particular role. Okay, that role could be anything. That could be for job, internship, or training. Okay, so can you please quickly, within 30 seconds, type it in the chat box about the job role which you are aspiring to build your career. Only three people, five. I'll keep it on the screen so they can refer. Okay, so I see a data analyst, Python developer, Java data analyst, Java, AWS, UX, UI developer, QA engineer, testing, and again React.js UI developer. Okay, so but I will be skipping the roles which are not being seen in this chat box. For example, I don't see anyone from mobile app background, so I will skip that. Okay, if anyone is still there, please type it so that we include that discussion as well. So what I'm going to do is I will go through it and each one of this item, and if someone has typed, then we will discuss on that role what exactly you are going to do. So I hope everyone has typed already. Okay, so mobile app is not there yet on the list, if I am not missing anybody. Okay, so I will skip the mobile app part. The next one is UI developer, React.js or AngularJS. Okay, so I see at least one person is there for UI developer, two people, Chetan and Mehnaj. Okay, Chetan and Mehnaj. Okay, so Chetan, can you quickly give me your background on UI development? What do you have? What do you know about it? You can quickly introduce yourself and you can tell what background you have.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Hello, myself Chetan Sharikar. I completed my computer science from Bangalore, BMSIT with 7.8 CGPA, and my strengths are front-end development, and my technical skills are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, and from backend side, I know Node.js. Coming to the experience, I have done a 1 month internship in Workons Technology as a full stack developer. And to improve my skills, I have done some personal projects also using React.js.
Okay. So, have you done an application development with React.js already?
As survey applications, I have done websites using React.js.
And that is integrated with API, and it is an end-to-end application, or only the UI part?
Sir, some application I have not included backend, and for some recent projects, I have tried to include backend APIs.
Okay. And which framework or libraries you are using from React? If you are familiar, you can tell right away. If you're not, then you can pass the question so that I'll move to the next.
Sir, actually, I was disconnected, sir. Can I know the question once again?
Yeah, I asked which React.js libraries you have used or the framework which you have used for your UI development.
Sir, I have used shared scene UI for third-party library for integrating UI components and framer motion for animation, sir.
Mhm. Okay. Any idea about Material UI, bootstrapping, or Next.js?
Sir, I heard about Material UI. It is an UI library which provides built components which we can import and use in our project, sir.
Okay. What about TypeScript and ES6?
Sir, I know the basics of TypeScript, uh, which bare minimum used in building React projects.
Okay. Would you be able to demonstrate any project which you have already developed?
Right now, sir.
Not right now. I will give you slot that time.
Okay. I'm fine with it, sir. I'm okay with it.
Okay. And what is that application is about? And
I can do a e-commerce application, sir.
e-commerce application which you have done already.
Already, sir.
Uh, I'll give you time to prepare, and let me tell you what would be the expectation on that. So you have to explain the application workflow. Okay, how technically calls happens. What is the file structure or application structure? Okay, what libraries you are using, and a
Okay.
couple of functions in the UI which we see that I may ask you to explain how you have done that, and then how you
Okay.
are integrating with the APIs.
Okay, sir.
So this is something you need to just explore it and try to demonstrate in front of the team.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Any question?
Can I know when will be the slot, sir?
Let me come back. Maybe during this time itself in the evening at 8 p.m. or some other times, I will check and let you know. So I
Okay.
will ping you, or you ping me separately when you are ready present.
Today itself or any other day?
Not today. It could be tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But first
Oh,
thing is
fine.
you confirm me, you message me separately that you are ready to present so that I will give you the slot.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Any question, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Uh, then I'll move to the next person. Chetan is done, and then Mehnaj. Mehnaj, are you able to hear me?
Yes, am I audible?
Yes.
Hi, myself Benaz Ansari. I did MCA from Delhi Jamia Hamdard University, and right now I'm working in non-technical field. Right now I'm working with teleperformance, but I want to switch my career in IT. But I have basic knowledge of React only.
Okay. So basic knowledge means you would have done some sample programmings only, and you know some concepts, or you have
Yes,
done
yes, yes,
any
that is
application
correct.
development.
Yes, that is right.
No, you have done any application development?
No, no, I didn't.
Not yet. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So when you see you have done the basics, right? So have you
Mm-hmm.
written any programs?
Simple programs like how to print and like how I know what is the structure of React program. That's it. I have knowledge of HTML, CSS, and some React concepts only.
Okay. So let's say if I tell you, can you develop one form, or let's say student details page, and
Mm-hmm.
save the details in the database? Would you be able
Mm-hmm.
to do that?
Yes, I can try.
So yeah, maybe you can take that as an exercise. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So your
Okay, sure.
exercise is very simple. You have to
Mm-hmm.
design one page where
Mm-hmm.
you will have all student details, and someone should be able to store the details, submit it. It will be stored in the database, and then again display it back. View details.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so based on this exercise, I will be able to evaluate what is your level and what
Mm-hmm.
to do.
Okay, okay, sure.
Okay. Any question?
Okay.
Any doubt?
No, no, I don't have any question. Thank you.
No problem. Uh, Irfan, you have message, so I think you are already in. So I will skip, but still, if you have anything you want to ask me, please go ahead.
No, sir.
Okay. So, did anyone join later who wants to do React.js development, or you want to go to that role who might have joined later? If no, then I will go to the next topic, next role. Okay. So, Java development, the Java developer, and this is not for only fresher, right? If you are experienced also in Java, feel free to tell me. Accordingly, we will try to place it. So, Java, I see Sandesh. So, Sandesh, would you like to brief about yourself and what is the experience you have on Java?
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes.
My name is Sandesh Devrishi. I'm basically from Belgavi, Karnataka, and I have completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering. And after that, I have completed full stack Java development course from J Spider Bengaluru, and I have good knowledge in Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, JDBC, JavaScript, SQL, MySQL, and HTML, CSS. Also, Spring Security, microservices, and I have done project using backend project which follows the microservices three-tier architecture, where I used Spring Security and Spring Boot. Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Uh,
So, you have done those projects as a part of your learning or in any internship, or you are working already?
like I have done two projects while I was learning in institution, and after that I'm currently working on a project which is a friend one of like a real time project. So it's my
Developing yourself, or that is for any institute or any company?
no, sir. It's for one of my friend. He's starting his own business, so I'm
Do
developing
it
that.
for him.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. I appreciate that. Very nice. So, is that something which you can demonstrate?
Uh, yes, sir.
What is the expectation in the demonstration? Okay, and our interview is not something that we want to ask you all questions and answers. What typical interviews happen, right? So our selection process is not that. Our selection process is how much analytical you are, how much you are able to use the current online resources. That could be chat gpt, bird, or anything, right? And you are able to solve problems by coding. Don't
Yes, sir.
expect that you should by heart everything and you should remember. No, not required. That age is gone. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
now age is you should be analytical enough, and you should be able to find the right resource from the internet, and you should be able to solve the problem. That is the
Yes, sir.
way I need to evaluate.
Yes, okay, sir.
You when you need to demonstrate your project functionally and then technically, and try to include as many aspects as possible. That could be architecture, design, and then the coding in detail. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, and you
Uh,
take your time to prepare, explore your project, get ready, do a self demo or self, so that during the demonstration nothing is stopped, nothing is broken. Okay, once you are done,
okay.
you message me that you are ready to present, then I will give you a slot for presenting.
Okay, sir. Completely fine.
Any doubt, question?
As of now, I don't have any questions, sir.
Right, I'll move on with the next candidate, G Somia.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Yes, sir. I'm Soumya. Can I proceed with my introduction, sir?
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir. I'm Soumya from Chittoor, sir. Recently, I completed my graduation in Siddharth Institute of Engineering and Technology with in the stream of CSC with an aggregate of 95%. And I have done some internships where one is based on front end development and other is based on Java full stack development. Java full stack development was done through QSpiders Academy, and front end development is through IBM Skills Builder through APSCHE. And I have done some certifications through NPTEL Programming in Java, where I secured 78%, and I completed some of the certifications in Microsoft Azure Fundamentals and SQL as well. And coming to my journey, I have practiced coding on Lead Code, HackerRank. Up to now, I have completed 120 problems and 100 plus partial solutions, as well as in the HackerRank also. And I'm good at problem solving skills, where I improved from my second year of my BTech, and I have done some course certifications also. That's all about me, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, wonderful. I think very good profile you have built already. Now it
Yes, sir.
is to demonstrate your skills properly and get into job.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So tell
Yeah.
me, do you have any project which you can demonstrate? You should pick a project which basically covers all different types of aspects of software development.
Yes, sir. In my BTech, I have done a project on deep learning, sir, which is based on a deep learning, like to predict the prediction of gastric cancers. So where I have used some deep learning algorithms like CNN and gastronet algorithms. So by on the basis of those two algorithms, I have
Your voice is breaking sometimes, Soumya.
predicted the gastric cancer presence. And
Your voice is completely breaking
hear me,
here. We missed many words.
sir?
But
Right
I
now, can you
understood
hear me?
you have done some uh, projects on AI/ML,
Yeah, sir. Deep learning.
deep learning,
It's based
and
on.
yeah, so it is on the healthcare domain.
Yeah, sir.
So when can you present it?
I'm ready to present tomorrow also, sir. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Or,
Okay.
yeah, sir.
So, but I don't want anyone to prepare present it in a hurry mode. Okay. So you take your time. If you want couple of hours, one day, 2 day, no issue. But
Yeah, sir.
try to do your best.
Yes, sir.
So go through everything and make sure as much as technical aspects you can include while demonstrating. That would be good for you, because that is what will be considered for your evaluation.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Yeah. Any question or doubt for?
No queries, sir. Thanks a lot.
All right. So Java, do we have anyone else? Okay. So we are done with Java members. If I missed anyone, please let me know. Then next one is Python developer. Okay. So we have
Sir, few
Rupa.
of my excuse me, sir.
Yes, Soumya.
Sir, few of my friends are in the waiting room, sir. Will you allow them, sir?
Oh, is it? Sure.
Yes.
Sorry for that.
Yes, sir. No problem.
No, I think they might have exited, because I don't see anyone in the waiting room right
Sir, just now they registered, sir. So
now. Ask them to join that link again or send them.
yes, sir. I'll ask them, sir.
Okay. So meanwhile, let me go through the people for Python developer. Rupa.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Myself, I am Ruchita. I am from Anantapur. I have completed my graduation in Anantapur with aggregate percentage 76 percentage. I have skills on HTML, CSS, yeah, SQL, and basics on Java and Python. I have done an internship on digital marketing. That's it about myself, sir.
To build your career on Python development.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what background you have on Python?
Sir, just I am learning on basics, sir.
It's on Python.
Yes, sir.
So how many programs you would have practiced so far?
50, sir.
And how is it through a tutorial, YouTube video, or any training?
Sir, YouTube video and Google, sir, through Google.
And Google. Okay.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
have any idea yet how to develop an application using Python?
Not yet, sir. Steady. Thank you, sir.
So let's say if I want to tell you that in 2 days of time I will give you, and you have to develop
Okay, sir.
one application in Python, would you be able to do it?
Oh, yes, sir. Sure, sir.
You can.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. So let's say I will give you a simple application for registering a user and logging in the user
Okay, sir.
using Python.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So take your time for 1 day or 2 day and do that and demonstrate the way which I explained it for others also.
Okay, sir.
Take the challenge.
Yes, sir. I will take. I will accept. No, sir. Nothing yet. Thank you, sir.
Python, anyone else? I think only one. Okay, I think anyone else Python, please let me know. DevOps engineer. Next DevOps engineer who is there in the list is Hansel. You are already doing it. Do you have anything, any point you want to bring up?
I was no like currently I was supposed to learn how to test with Postman.
Mhm.
Yeah, so I realized I have to learn how to create API first, which was something I did not have previous knowledge of.
So you are doing exploring that more.
Yes, I'm learning how to create APIs. Then I'll move on to testing with Postman.
Okay. All right. So we have less people on DevOps in this group. Business analyst, I did not see anyone. Um, anyone on the business analyst? I see data analyst. Okay, good. Can data analyst two people, and then
Hello, sir.
yes, wait.
It's me, Oyin. Yes. We spoke about it already. I'm going to be a Scrum Master, and on the silent side, I'm going to be business analyst. So
Business
I think I'm the only business analyst on the list.
doing it all. We'll keep that. I'll make sure you get more activities on the data analyst side so that we can continue with both. Okay. So Mukul, would you like to introduce yourself and tell us about your background on data analyst part?
Yes, sure, sir. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, hello everyone. Myself Mukul Bele. So currently I'm pursuing my final year of engineering from IIT Jodhpur. So basically, I have been into the field of data analytics from last 2 years. So I have completed different projects, including vehicle telematics or metrics analysis, inventory optimization, and different case studies regarding data analytics in different fields. So my tech stack includes Python, SQL, and Tableau, Power BI, and MS Excel. Along with, I am being interested in exploring this field a lot, and therefore I am being here. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So the projects are which you have done, those are most of the learning basis, right? Because you are in the college at this moment.
Yes,
Are
sir.
there
Yes.
any one of them with a real time use case of any company or something?
There isn't any of the real time, but there is one project which I have done from the scratch. So basically, it's on advanced vehicle telematics. So basically, I got one of the data set from the Kaggle related to the vehicles data set, like what is the ignition they ignite, and what is the amount of the petrol and diesel being used at different RPMs, and all of the related to the sensors which are being inbuilt in the cars. So basically, on the basis of that, I've come up how interpreted gear shifts are being used, about abrupt stops, about rapid acceleration, sharp turns, lane change maneuvers, and collision detection. So basically, it was an interesting project for me because I have to do everything from scratch, and I've also taken help from different resources, including GitHub also. Uh, and I've also included some kernel density estimations and Jenks natural break optimization. So I got to learn many of the new things. So it also take about 1 to 1.5 months of the time to learn that. Apart from that, the different projects are normal projects like inventory optimization and metrics analysis based. I'm just in learning stages. That's why.
Okay. Okay. So you mentioned data analyst, right? But you are saying you are developing the application. So these two I want to clarify, right? So if you what application are you developing? And you said Python and other things also you are doing, right? So it is not data analyst normally won't do coding in detail. They would know in high level, but they don't do it.
Yes.
So I see
Uh,
the role beyond data analyst. It is not a data analyst. I could say data scientist actually.
yes, sir. Basically, I have know a little bit of ML, but primarily I'm more inclined towards
You
the
do
data
coding.
analytics. I
You do coding more, or
No, I used to.
on the discussion. I mean, on the business side, where basically, see, I'll tell you the difference, right? So business analyst main role is to understand the system requirement in detail, okay, and provide innovative digital business transformation solutions to the customers to solve real-time problems of the other current business problem. Also, futuristic requirements which even somebody may not even know that such kind of problem may come or such kind of requirement come. You basically build a product vision, and then developers will develop that and deliver. Okay, so that is the role of the business analyst or the data analyst, whatever you said. Okay, business analyst will include business functionalities also, but data analyst will focus more on the data transformation, data cleansing, data transformation, then reporting, all kind of stuff. Okay, including AI, ML, and whatever latest tools are there for modeling and the training for models, all those kind of. But if it is a on the development side, then what the data analyst or business analyst gives the requirement or creates the vision, that will be developed by the developers. Is is it making
Yes,
sense to
sir.
you?
Basic,
So
yes, sir.
what is that
Basically,
you
I'm
are planning?
not, sir. I'm not planning for going into the development. I'm more towards this data processing and
Analysis part
visualization.
on the functionality side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So whatever examples you have given, right? So would you like to pick any one of them? Okay, and then demonstrate all aspects of it from a data analyst point of view. So
Okay, sure, sir.
that would be like this, right? So first thing is you need to present the problem statement or the vision, okay, for which you are going
Yes.
to give the data analytical solution or data analytical requirements basically. And then you need to support your vision through those functionalities, features, or all data related stuffs, which will basically give a confidence that if we do all these things, then you will be moving towards that vision. Okay, so that is the starting point. And then to do this, what all different approaches are available, what are the different best guidelines and principles are there which someone needs to follow, what are the best tools are there to do it. Okay, so these all things you need to include in your demonstration.
Okay, sure, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sure, sir.
And
Understood.
feel free to use ChatGPT and all. You guys are already doing it, I know. So accordingly, you can prepare either in terms of a presentation in PPT or something, or if you have it already, you can polish it more, and then ping me separately when you are done. Then I will give you a slot for the demonstration.
Okay, sure, sir. I will do that. Thank you.
Okay. Any question or doubt further?
No, sir. Nothing as of now.
All right. I'll go with Victor. Victor, are you able to hear us? So I will try to move on. If Victor, if you are not able to speak or connect, you can talk later also. Feel free to connect with me separately. Okay, so these two I think we had for the data analytics or yeah, I see one more. Yes. Somya, you are going for the data analytics also? Acha, that was G Somya. This is yeah, same, right? Somya, you spoke right already?
Yeah, sir, I have spoke, but one of my brother used my mail ID, sir. So
And is he able to? Who is he?
G Chaitanya Kumar, sir.
Chaitanya. Chaitanya, are you able to hear us?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
today only I have registered, sir, but I didn't receive any invitation link, sir. That's why, sir.
Okay, that's fine. So yeah, so you want to build your career as a data analyst?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you tell me what background you have on data analysis,
Can I introduce myself, sir?
please?
My name is Chaitanya Kumar, sir. I am from Chittur, sir. I have completed my master's in the stream of computer applications in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and Technology with an aggregate of 90%, sir. I did my bachelor's degree in the stream of statistics in Vignan Sudha Degree College with an aggregate of 87%, sir. I have completed one internship on Java full stack development through Pantech e-learnings. I did a project on data analytics for chess game prediction. In that chess game prediction, my target variable is winner, whether the white goes to be winner or black goes to be winner. Apart from that, I am good in Python and Java, sir. I have completed many certification courses like server-side JavaScript with Node.js, single-page web applications with AngularJS. Recently, I have published an article on cyberbullying detection on social networks using machine learning approaches, sir. My short-term goal is to get a job in any company, and my long-term goal is to keep a good position in that company. My hobbies are gardening and cooking. My strength is hardworking. My weakness is never give up without completing the work. That's all about me. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, nice to hear from you, Chaitanya.
Yes.
So, tell me, what are the databases you know?
SQL, sir.
SQL is a common term. Which database in SQL? Like Oracle, MySQL.
I just know the basics of SQL only, sir.
Okay, basics of SQL.
Yes, sir.
So let me tell you, anyone in that matter, if you are going for a data analytical part, right, or as a data analyst,
yes, sir,
you need to know about so many different, almost all latest database technologies which are being used. So that includes RDBMS, all multiple RDBMS, NoSQL databases, then all AI and ML tools which are available in cloud, that could be in AWS, GCP, and Azure. These three are mandatory nowadays. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So those are must.
Okay, sir.
For any person who wants to become a data analyst or data scientist. Okay. So anyway, but I want to, in order to evaluate your current level, what is that use case would you like to pick up and demonstrate for your role?
I'm good at Python, sir, as well as Java.
No, that becomes a Java programmer or Python programmer. That is not something which reflects the role of data analyst.
In data analyst, I use Python programming only, sir. That's why, sir.
No, that is fine. I mean, using Python programming for data analyst, but that is not the pure role of a data analyst.
Okay, sir.
Did you hear me? What I tried to explain about
yes,
data
sir.
analyst role?
Yes, sir.
I'll be posting this video again. What this recording? You can again follow through that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then I will give you a simple assignment for you.
Okay, sir.
You do a research. What is the role of a data analyst?
Okay, sir.
Okay, use all online resources. Okay, and then ping me when you are ready to tell me
sir.
What is the role of a data analyst and what all someone should know as a data analyst.
Okay, sir.
That is a starting point for you.
Okay, sir.
Once you know this is the scope, this is the requirement of a data analyst, then you can start building your skill on each one of those items.
Okay, sir.
Let's say I see ChatGPT says me a data analyst should have a skills of these 10 skills he needs. Then you have to see, do you know all those 10 skills or you know 2 or 1? And then you have to start building those skills within yourself.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
All right. Let me move on. Anyone else from data analysts?
Sir, Anush Malipatil.
Yeah, Anush. Go ahead.
Good evening, sir. Myself, Anush Malipatil. I completed my BE in Computer Science and Engineering, and I completed my post-graduation program in Data Science and Engineering in Great Lakes Institute of Management. And I developed the skills like Python, NumPy, and Python libraries like scikit-learn, pandas, NumPy, and data visualizations with the Seaborn, Matplotlib, and I have skills on SQL and statistics and NLP, machine learning and deep learning. And now I'm doing a project on TensorFlow, using TensorFlow, the basic project, and LLM. And I done 3 internships as a data science intern in YBI Foundation and Cyclic.
Okay. Okay. And did you attend interviews for job, or you are still in college? Not able to hear you. Your voice is breaking. Anush, your voice is breaking. Not able to hear you.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, now you are audible. So I heard you have done so many things on the analytical side. Okay, that is very good.
Yes.
Okay. And I heard also that you have done or doing something on TensorFlow.
Yes, sir.
Right. So would you be able to
Yes, sir.
demonstrate your use case on TensorFlow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So take
Yes,
your
sir.
time and let me know. Ping
Yes.
me personally that you are ready to present, so that I'll give you a slot to present it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
But I want to ask, you are still in college, or you completed already?
No, I completed this month, sir.
You are completing this month. Okay, good timing.
Yeah.
So, did you get a chance to attend any other interviews before this?
No, sir. I'm trying. It is the first company I'm trying.
Okay.
After that, now I'm graduated, right? So I'm trying now.
Okay, good. All right. So I'm sure it will be a very good experience to go through this evaluation process, which will help you further for the if for future.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Anybody else on data analyst position or business analyst? I'll move to the next topic, that is on HR or recruiter. So there is no one. I will skip it. QA engineer is the next one. I saw one person on the QA side. Let me call out the name. Yeah. Jahari. Jahari and Narmada. Jahari,
Yeah, sir.
please go ahead with your introduction.
Yeah, sir. Myself, Jayagiri. I am from Delhi. I did my university at Wilson College of Arts and Sciences in Coimbatore, and I am currently did my certification in software testing
Hey,
like
your
that.
voice is breaking completely, Jai.
Sir, wait a minute, sir. I searching for network, sir. Wait a minute.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, is
You
it audible?
it is audible, but it's continuously breaking, kind of. Some noise is coming.
Sir, can you hold me for 5 minutes, sir?
Sure. I'm
I'll
going
check
with
my
the other
internet, sir.
person. You come back and let me know once you're ready.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Now, Narmada?
Yeah, hi sir.
Yes.
Hi sir, myself Narmada. I am from Manantapur. I have completed my graduation in the stream of computer science and engineering.
When did
The
you
aggregate
complete?
of 68%. In 2022, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Go ahead.
Present, I am learning testing, sir, software testing course. Recently, I have joined in the institute, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, so that I want to go
So,
to
are you
testing
learning
field.
manual testing or automation?
Both, sir.
Automation, which tool you are using?
Sir, recently I have started in before 2 weeks, sir. So that I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So, in that case, okay, tell me when you are finishing the training.
In the May, sir. The month of May, I have to complete the course, sir.
Okay, so see, so it is clear that you are not, ready yet for the job position. Okay, so you can go for either internship or training. Training already you are
Yeah.
doing, so
Yeah, sir.
you can try to do the internship. Okay, that would be
Yeah.
very tough because people who has good background and has taken some training, they only can do the internship because internship is something which you should, need to be self
Sir,
learn.
it's okay, sir. I have to ready for job, sir. I am learning with very fastly, sir. I
No,
can
but
learn,
the
sir.
job, if you have not done anything on the automation, how you will get a job?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
To get a job, you need to have the experience. I mean, not work experience, but you need to have a self
Okay.
experience, either
Okay.
via training or by self learning.
Okay.
Before job, you have to ready to do something to solve a problem.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's say if you joined a company and if they say, can you automate the login page? Will you be able to do it in 2 days?
Mm, no.
Then how they will pay you?
Yeah. Okay.
So be with reality always. Okay. So company will
Okay.
pay you and give you a job only when they understand that yes, they can do the job for you. You can do
Yeah.
their job.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So job will not, you don't go for it. Training continue, learn it very well, and in between you can try out for the internship in our company. And if you are able to do the internship, then definitely job will be in your hand.
Yeah. Okay. Sir. Thank you.
So what I will do is, you start attending these meetings, hear about and the things, and whatever you are learning in your training, if you want to
Yeah.
present that, you can do that. In that way, I will try gradually evaluate that you are getting ready for the internship or not. And if I see you are getting ready for the internship, then I will take you in the internship group, and you will be able to do the real time project automation and do your internship, where you will get the internship certificate from us. It will help you to get
Okay.
a job.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt or question?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi, sir. Is it okay, sir?
Yes, Hari. It is fine now.
Audible? Can I
Yes.
tell my sir, sir?
Yeah. Please.
Yeah, sir. Myself, Jayagiri. I am from Thini. I did my UG at Hindustan College of Arts and Science in Coimbatore, and I have a knowledge on manual testing and automation testing like Java, core Java, automation testing with Java and Selenium, and I have a knowledge on various phases of SDLC and STLC model life cycle, and then analyzing the requirement and BRD documents and attending the walkthrough session in like a framework, a Cucumber, and I have creating test data and test cases by referring BRD use. And then I have a performing retesting and regression testing, smoke testing, and sand testing in using manual testing. And then I have defect management tools like Jira Jira tool, and then I have a methodology like a waterfall methodology or other methodology by using software testing. And then as I consider myself as a positive thinker, it helps me to achieve my goals with the help of the positive thinking. I can overcome the stress and I can adapt using any environment. And then I learn like new things. I never miss any opportunity to learn something new. And then I don't have a project like banking domain. It's like using manual testing and automation testing, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
That's all about me.
Very good
Thank you.
background, and yeah, nice to hear from you. Tell me, when did you complete your
Thank you, sir.
graduation?
Sir, 2022, sir.
22. And after having all these backgrounds, also you are not able to manage any job.
Yes, sir. I selected more than several companies, and I didn't. I rejected with location, sir. That's why. Now I am capable to working with. Now I am relocate with any location, sir.
Is required for any software, IT guys, because as much flexible you are with the location, that is, you will have more opportunities,
Yes, sir.
right?
Sure.
Okay. So yes, all the best on that. So now tell me, can you demonstrate any existing automation which you have done?
Sir, it's like a banking domain, sir. Using framework like a Cucumber, we have done with a lot of requirements client have. Using user stories like analyze in the BRD document, and then test data, we have to fluctuating the test data and test cases by using user story. And then we have performing with retesting, regression testing,
I
smoke
know
testing.
that is fine.
Yes, sir.
But my question is, do you have any sample project which you can demonstrate me to show your skills
No,
on
sir.
automation?
No, sir. I didn't complete my project, sir. It's a running process, so that's why, sir.
Okay. So if you have not done, then I have to give you a new project assignment which you have to do it and show it to me. Because if you claim
Okay,
that
sir.
you have
Sure.
done all these things, then you should be able to finish the assignment very soon for your evaluation purpose.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So let's take one thing. Okay. So do you know how to install one, let's say, React application in your machine?
No, sir.
Then how did you automate the application?
Sir, it's only using Eclipse, sir.
No, that is fine.
Ec-
For
Eclipse.
using
Okay, sir.
Eclipse.
Only using Eclipse with Selenium, sir. We have to, by using Selenium, we have to searching inspect with expert like HTML, JavaScript. Then only we can testing the application, sir, web application.
Okay. So now let's say if I give you that, for the Amazon website, okay, you automate Amazon website to log in and then search a product laptop. Can you
Yeah, sir.
automate
Sure.
that?
Yeah, sir. Sure.
Okay. So take that
Yeah, sir.
exercise.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
Take that
Okay, sir.
exercise. Try to think from a very broader point of view, not that you just log in and you searched a laptop. No. As a QA engineer, what all different things you need to consider, what framework you should use, how you should log in and search, how you should maintain your, it could be property files, it could be test data, it could be the way you want to integrate with BDD, you want to integrate with Jira, right? It could be anything. So whatever you try to explain about your profile, that says you have done so many things. But at the end, what you demonstrate on reality, that is what will tell, basically evaluate and certify that you really know them or not. You are getting my point,
Yeah, sir.
right? So
Yes.
take your time, 1 day, 2 day, or max 3 days, okay? And whatever you can
Okay.
do, and once you are ready, let me know. You can
Okay, sir.
message me
Thank you.
personally that you are ready with this case study, so that I can plan a slot for you where you can demonstrate.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, any question?
No, sir.
Okay, all the best. uh Testing, I think I'm done, right? Anyone else whom I missed? If no one, then I will go to the next topic, that is a Scrum Master position. Scrum Master, we have already one when we spoke to you, and I think there is no one. If anyone is there for Scrum Master position, please let me know. Data analyst or data scientist, we already discussed. Architect, I didn't see anyone. If anyone is there for that architect position, please let me know. Full stack developer, it will be by default when you know both UI development and backend development. Anyone specifically targeting that, let me know. IoT, no one, I didn't see anyone. UX designer, I saw one person. So let me call out. Sarada. Are you able to hear Sarada? Okay, if Sarda, if you are not there, I am moving to the next person. Okay, so front end development, I think we discussed with few people till Irfan. So after that, I think Rajesh, you have joined. Rajesh, are you there? Okay, so in general now, let me ask if I missed anyone who want to pitch in. Anyone else with whom we did not discuss? No one. Okay. Now tell me if anyone has any other point which you want to bring up or any question which is in your mind. Nothing. All right. So in that case, we will close the session and I will wait for your message as we discussed. So as soon as you are ready, let me know so that I can give you a slot and we can take it from there. Thank you. Have a good day and good evening and good night.
Thank you.
Take care, guys.